Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can speed up the performance of your laptop, or if your laptop is having a slow performance, then you need to watch this video and then fix that. So let's go quick into the process. First, let's go ahead in the Windows search bar and type run. Click on run under the best match. Now here in the run window, you need to type TEMP. It's TEMP, click on OK. Now there are a lot of temporary files from here, so simply click on one file and press Ctrl plus A on keyboard and hit the delete bin at the top. Now check this box, do this for all current items and click on skip. And not all of these files will be deleted because these are used by the programs of your Windows, and that is totally fine. Close out of here. Then for the shortcut, press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window again. Type percentage. It's percentage TEMP percentage. It's percentage TEMP percentage. Click on OK. Then you have to again click on one folder and press Ctrl plus A on keyboard and hit the delete bin at the top. Now do this for all current items. Click on continue. Check this box again, do this for all current items and click on skip. Again, not all of these files will be deleted, and that is totally fine. Then press the Windows key and letter R button together again to open the run window. Type prefetch. Hit enter. The same thing, click on one folder and press Ctrl plus A on keyboard. Hit the delete bin at the top. Now close this window. Then for the next method is you need to go ahead in the Windows search bar, type SYSDM.CPL. So you need to follow and watch the whole video before you can go on restarting your Windows. It's SYSDM.CPL. Now here in the System Properties window, you need to click on the Advanced tab. Here you'll find Performance, Visual Effects, Processor Scheduling, Memory Usage, and Virtual Memory. Click on Settings. In the Performance Options window, you need to click on Adjust for Best Performance. And then you can check this Show Thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. Then click on Apply, click on OK, and click on Apply and click on OK. Then for the next method is we can also perform the disk cleanup. So in the Windows search bar, type disk cleanup. Click on disk cleanup under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. Then here in the disk cleanup for Windows, you need to check these boxes one by one and click on clean up system files. Click on OK. And you just need to wait for this process to be done. Now once done, close this window. Then for the next method is we can also disable the unnecessary startup programs that should not come along with our Windows during startup. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type task mgr. Click on Task Manager under the best match. Maximize the Task Manager window. Click on the Startup Apps in the left pane. Then change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup programs enabled on your Windows. What you can do is you just need to disable the unnecessary, unimportant startup programs, especially applications like Xbox or any other like Discord. So what you can do, simply make a right click and then select disable, and once done, close out of here. And for the next method is we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type power plan. This one, choose a power plan, click on that. Then here you will find high performance. So you can choose high performance if you have high performance option in your Windows. Now if you don't have the high performance, then you can simply search on how you can enable the high performance on your Windows. And finally, you need to restart your Windows. So make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, you'll see a great difference on your Windows. This time this will function faster, or your Windows will not get that slow function. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.